can take this session sometime, you know. We can meet. It's really very helpful.
Anytime it will.
Next time he's going to charge you.
ट्रेलर खत्म हो गया अभी पिक्चर बाकी है
She was taking photograph each and every
Trailer.
She was taking photograph each and every
No, seriously, if you have a group of ladies who have to have a session, we can just
Only for ladies?
only for parents.
He's only defined his interest.
I have kept my focus and my passion on this, and I don't focus anywhere else.
अरविंद हेल्प मांगते हैं तो बोल मैं आता है
हाँ?
प्रोजेक्टर वगैरह चलाने का
बाद में नहीं चला तो देखा जाएगा.
Thank you so much.
To my wife, and my wife knows about this. I just tell her I don't need.
पहले से मांडली करके
Arvind, thanks so much.
Thank you for this.
A good eye opener for all the parents of our age, when all our children are within the age group of 9, 10, 12 and something like this. Thanks so much.
I think this was Rahul's idea that you should give a present.
Yeah, Rahul put it up, yeah. Rahul has 2 notorious ones in his home, so he knows who to meet now.
I have only benefited in the most. I'm just not telling you.
Now, Marathe sir takes up from here.
Sham is
Sham
there.
is here.
Come here.
Come first.
Exam.
Shailesh,
शैलेश है?
शैलेश.
Now after listening to the good presentation on achieved for good parenting, what is required is the good coordination between husband and wife. So now this is very small examination, very small test. How well you know your wife? There is 5 simple questions they were asked. They are given the answers. Same questions we will ask you. And we expect answers what your wife would have given.
अरे सर्कस का थोड़ा सा
आला आला
सर्कस का शेर आ गया हमारा
इधर बैठ
No, 1 minute. Without writing, you can answer. Come here.
सोनू हेल्प मांगते तो बोला हेल्प करना है मेरे को कुछ ही के
एक्चुअली क्या हुआ यार इधर
All people are very tense now.
You got nothing to lose, Shailesh.
I will ask you some questions.
ये मस्का ना मत
ये राठी
मैच
मैच फिक्सिंग है मैच फिक्सिंग
राठी के बीच में सबको 25
I will ask you 5 questions. You have to answer what answers your wife would have given. Most preferred color of hers.
What?
Most preferred color.
Green.
आउट ऑफ सिलेबस.
Color. What is your most preferred color of his?
राठी चिट चेंज कर रहा है अभी.
ये राठी कुछ चेंज मत करे
राठी रहने देना यार.
जल्दी आओ
Red. I will give your answers later. Most preferred place of visit, where she would like to go.
My God.
मुरबाड
Where is shooting?
Switzerland.
Switzerland. All right, 50% correct. She has answered Europe. Correct. Percentage marks in SSC by her. Somebody has to make a score sheet. Amit, please come here. Percentage marks in SSC by her. No.
Sir, these questions are big danger for future. इसके बाद में
अगले 25 साल
जो लोग अपनी वाइफ को नहीं लेके आए खुश हो रहे हैं बहुत.
Yeah, एकदम बच गए एक आउट है
बोला,
Yes,
बोला।
we are all smiling.
फर्स्ट थॉट यही आया होगा. चलो
We
अच्छा.
all are smiling.
We knew he is going to ask this.
क्या करेगा संदीप
Sir,
इतना बड़ा
most preferred
संदीप को कितना बोला संदीप?
We are worried for these people right now.
Don't worry, we have drinks arranged for them.
Hindi singer female. Shreya Ghoshal. And best moment in life.
Best?
Moment in her life. Moment.
Moment is moment.
Best moment in her life. Pass. Write down total marks 1.
Wow.
ठीक है डबल भरून दे रे बाबा खायचे.
काढायचे डबे करून
Sir, negative marking नहीं है.
नहीं.
Corporate.
Again, same question. Most preferred color. Red. 1. Very good.
अरे दोनों ने रेड पहना है.
Most preferred place. South Africa. No, you are to Messi. 1. Granted. 2. Percentage marks in SSC of hers.
955.
Very good. 85. Hindi singer name. Yes. Hindi singer female. Hindi singer female. Marginal. Asha Bhosle. Best moment in her life.
इसको इंस्टीट्यूट से बाहर निकाल दो. Bad example for all of us here.
Prasad.
कितने मार्क्स मिले शौनक को?
4.
Most preferred color. That also one he bunked.
लताशन होगी क्या?
नहीं क्या वो?
ये बोलेंगे. Most preferred color. Green.
Can you ask why they don't take emotional?
Most preferred place to visit. Manas Sarovar. Whole summer. Percentage mark in SSC by her. You are not mentioned. Right? Granted. 1. Hindi singer name. Ustad Rashid Khan.
आपने देखा क्या प्रसाद तूने?
प्रसाद के इंस्टीट्यूट में वापस एडमिशन.
Asha Bhosle. Best moment in her life.
ये तो पता चल जाएगा यार. What is the favorite reason?
Son, no.
इंस्टीट्यूट में क्या पढ़ेगा?
What up? Outside.
नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए ना.
1.
ये प्रसाद डबा भरून दे रे बाबा.
अच्छा मारो.
Manish.
मुनियो.
Most preferred color. Pink. Most preferred place of visit. Europe. Percentage marks in SSC by her. 78. Hindi singer preferred male. Very good. 1.
Wow.
Hindi singer female. Lata Mangeshkar. And best moment in her life. No. She has written this one. One. Sham. Most preferred color. 1. Most preferred place of visit. Yes?
Come on, slow. Okay.
Correct. Well, 2. by her.
I don't know.
It's true, I guess तो कर.
सही हुआ.
85. Two more still. Hindi singer, male. Very good. 3. Hindi singer, female.
ये तो पहला क्वेश्चन
Again, correct. 4. Best moment in life.
हाँ बोलो.
Come on, slow.
Your return. Sania. 1 of 4. Again 4. Very good. Sandeep. Most preferred color.
Purple.
Maroon.
अरे पर्पल ती काय घालतच नाही कधी.
आणि सर मरून मराठीमध्ये आणि पर्पल इंग्लिशमध्ये जातं.
Half. Most preferred place of visit.
चारधाम ऋषिकेश.
अरे बागली स्टेट का आंसर.
Leh.
सर का एक्सप्रेशन तो चार दाम सीधा लेता है
अभी तक ले गए नहीं तो कैसा मालूम पड़ा है.
Percentage marks in SSC.
82.
83. Granted. Hindi singer male.
If it is ghazals, Jagjit Singh. Otherwise it's Mohammad Rafi.
Mohammad.
ए इतना ऑप्शन नहीं मिल रहा रे.
अरे दोनों साथ में है वो.
लगेगा.
बट एजीटी का ऐसा नहीं
If you realize how and why Rati top the
Hindi singer female.
Lata Mangeshkar.
You are written 2. None of them is Lata.
ये भी दो लिख के
एक साइड से भी दो.
So no mark for this. Best moment in life.
Bharat Akshay
Correct. Now we have
4.
4. Who are the tie?
Here is the tie.
Shailesh.
Shailesh 1.
Okay.
Shaunak 4. Prasad 1. Manish 1. Sham 4. Sandeep 4.
यहाँ वादे का 4 है.
So there is a tie. Shaunak, Manish, sorry, Sham and Sandeep.
Time for now there is a reverse straight bike.
जीरो आया लिखा है सब
जे वन आहेत ते सगळे इथे राहतात माहिती आहे.
So we can continue with the same husband.
I need Joes to stay as a partner. That's more important.
Why shouldn't their choice? Nine. I is the only group they have added. I believe, but none of other groups are even active. Why?
But there is a spirit lot of family time from both the
दिल क्या करे जब किसी से किसी को प्यार हो जाए, जाने कहाँ तो किसी को किसी से प्यार हो जाए.
here, so this program can start and we can have a wonderful session here. It's going to be a musical fish pond. Shankar, Girish, please take your seat. Shyam, Shekhar, Doctor. You will get time, one song for each student, and it is expected when the song is being played, he should come, dance around, and till the time hardly just create an atmosphere of it suits him. The song is selected which suits the personality. So let's start for the day. The team is been by my friend Sunil Wadkar.
Hi, good evening.
I would want him to introduce himself.
पहले गाने वाने हो जाए, थोड़ा सा माहौल बनाते हैं। शॉर्टकट में बता रहा हूँ, मेरा म्यूज़िक क्लब है वाशी में, यहाँ बैनर मैंने लगाया है। फेसबुक यूट्यूब में मेरा पूरा प्रोफाइल है। और अभी जितने भी लोग थाने में रहते हैं, थाने नियर बाई एरिया में, 10 अप्रैल ध्यान में रखिए। 10 अप्रैल को मुकेश नाइट हम लोग कर रहे हैं काशीनाथ घाणेकर बिग ऑडिटोरियम में। तो अगर पॉसिबल है, मैं तो इन्फॉर्मेशन इनको पास ऑन करूँगा। वहाँ 31 दिसंबर 2014 वैसे गार्डन पार्टी था, और उसके बाद अभी सेकेंड टाइम। और मैं मुझे अच्छा लगेगा, आप लोग भी हमें बुलाते रहेंगे ऐसे छोटे मोटे माहौल में, पार्टी है कुछ भी एनी फंक्शन, क्योंकि हमारे पास कैसे क्लब है, क्लब में काफ़ी नए नए टैलेंट हम लोग ग्रूम करते हैं, तो उनको भी प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए होता है। तो जहाँ पर भी मौका मिलेगा हम लोग ग्रिप करते हैं टू प्रमोट अवर टैलेंट एंड फॉर द एक्सपोजर ऑफ एवरी टैलेंट। थैंक यू।
So we start the session with a song designed especially for Rajesh Iyer. Come on, a big clap to Rajesh Iyer.
बट संदीप, ये सब सिलेक्ट किसने किया? आपने किया?
गीत गाता हूँ मैं, गीत गाता हूँ मैं, गुनगुनाता हूँ मैं। मैंने हंसने का वादा किया था कभी, इसलिए अब सदा मुस्कुराता हूँ मैं। इसलिए गीत गाता हूँ मैं, गुनगुनाता हूँ मैं। मैंने हंसने का वादा किया था कभी, इसलिए अब सदा मुस्कुराता हूँ मैं। इसलिए अब सदा मुस्कुराता हूँ मैं।
Rajesh. Rajesh, you flew all the way from UAE here and from the college days. Always a charming guy, smiling guy. Thank you so much for coming here, Rajesh. You made us.
Thank you everyone. It was a most wonderful evening, and I wish the night continues strong, happy, and very, very memorable for each and every one of you. It's been a fantastic event. Sandeep, Amit, Prasad, Sameer, the whole host of people, many others who have been involved in this. Many months of effort have gone into this, I'm sure. Thank you once again, everyone. Also, Anjana and the rest of you who have really worked through this. Guys, it's been great meeting some of you more than 20 years hence. It's great. I think many of us, including me, have become more horizontal in size, but otherwise the rest of us remain the way we are. It's great once again, wonderful, best of luck. Let's have many, many more of these with more frequent intervals in the future. Thank you.
What are you doing, family and all?
Yeah, so thanks. I am in Dubai for the last 5 years. I worked there for a company called Jumbo Electronics, sales, marketing, business administration, etc. In Dubai, I'm married. My wife Pushkala is with me. My son Rakesh, who's in standard 6, and my mother, we stay there. Before that, I spent about 10 years in Bangalore. Before that, in Bombay. That is what with Godrej and Boys. After my Vivekanand days, did my MBA and then did my CFA, and that's it. Thank you.
A big clap to Rajesh. Thanks so much. Just please be seated. Just before. You can see the whole journey of Rajesh moving from Bombay to Bangalore, Bangalore to Dubai, and now back to Thane. The emotions are seen on his face and the words put on. Thanks Rajesh so much. We call the only Jawai for this class, as Rahul rightly put it up. Our own Anuradha Shivde, husband, and our own batchmate, 1991, Shankar. You stole one among us. So Jawai को हम बुलाते हैं, please. This is what he was singing during our college time for Anuradha. Please take it up.
सेवा करो जगती की जरूरत श्रीमती की कलावती की सेवा करे जगती की जरूरत है। मगर उसी पर नजर पड़े हो डालो से खेल की ये जैसे दिन रात से लड़े अताओं में बहार हो निगाहों में कुमार हो मेरा प्यार हो क्या बात है जरूरत है इसकी श्रीमती की कलावती की सेवा करे जो बदी की
जरूरत तो पूरी कर दी इंस्टू 91 के बच्चों ने। अब हम सुनना चाहेंगे शंकर एंड अनुराधा, व्हाट आर यू इनटू एंड
So, thanks so much for including me in this. When Anu told me, I was just heading out on my business trip last week, and she said, there's a reunion, can you make it? And the one thing she said was, you'll feel at home. And I think I am feeling at home, and I've been more at home with Instu than with my own batch. We started off saying Instu has been inclusive, and I think it goes, the proof is here. I felt at home. I was just trying to adjust my schedule. That worked out well, and I could make it here. I would like to take. As far as that last song goes, Seva Kare. Everyone from the US knows it's the other way around. I don't know. I'm sure it's true here as well. But doing all the dishes and hard work in the laundry. But anyways, where we are, we left for the US in 98, 99. Been in the US for 17 years now. Unfortunately, we couldn't keep up. I think WhatsApp is helping. We did meet Bapti, I meet a couple of friends close by. I've been in touch with Preet and so on, but nothing like this. And this is so wonderful. Thanks to Rathi, and I know Amit played a great role, and everyone. I think everyone did wonderful trying to pull this off together in this way. I hope we can duplicate. Satyana challenged me that we should get it done for electronics as well. So that's the challenge I'll take up. No, year 2016 something. So as far as where we are, so we've been in US 17 years. I have two daughters. We have two daughters, and the older one is in medical school in Philly, and the younger one is in 7th grade. We've been looking forward to actually meeting with most of our school friends and college friends, but we never got to do it. So one of the things I just texted Anu that we will try and do that more often. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you for including me, and it was wonderful to meet you, all of you after so many years.
Thank you, Shankar.
We can join the group in our. We can give him the honorary membership.
जवाइयों को तो और भी बड़ा पड़ रहा है।
वो सब मैसेज फिल्टर करके आने को बोलते हैं।
लेकिन उसको है ना दापते का फिल्टर लगा के फिर आना मांगता है। तो ये भी ऐसे एग्जिट हो जाए।
नहीं इसको ऐड करेंगे, फिर वो फिल्टर करके बताएगा घर पे।
और फिर बाकी वो 2-3 सबको बाकी आगे भेजेगा फिल्टर करके। That's good. So we have the next coming for Hasmukh Patel. Hasmukh bhai. Hasmukh bhai. Just saying goodbye to.
Thank you so much. Don't go, man.
इतना इमोशनल आगे तैयारी
चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा
When you had to copy from Hasmukh's book, you were always behind him. Now he's singing, you don't want to look at him. Hasmukh ऐसा जिंदगी होता है रे. बाबा आगे आ यार. शौनक.
Hello friends, everyone. It was a great, memorable day today for me. I mean, I value such occasions a lot, especially the memories. I mean, just to brief, I mean, many of you whom I have talked to the whole day and already shared about the last 25 years, but just to recollect, after Vivekanand, I pursued Masters at MTech in IIT Bombay. And after that, I joined the Larsen & Toubro for almost 8 years in the project. And it was quite going good in Larsen & Toubro, but after a certain time, I wanted some change and I couldn't find any better opportunity, so I looked for abroad in US, and it was quite easy for me to go there. And the company sponsored me and all that. For the last 16 years, I have been with the same company whom I work with. It is called FL Smith. They are in they're a global multinational for cement and mineral projects. And I work for automation, industrial automation. So very few of them are like hardcore instrumentation, like Rathi, and a couple of them. So I am one of them too. So I lead the engineering team in the US, and largely I travel a lot around the world, mostly in North and South America. And I do enjoy, the instrumentation and automation world. I have 2 kids, and I'm with my wife. I have 2 kids. One is a 19-year-old son. He's also pursuing engineering in Pennsylvania State University there. And incidentally, he's also doing bachelor's in electrical engineering and doing post-semester. And I have a very cute little daughter, 11-year-old, and I have named her Forum, which in my Gujarati language is like a sweetness of a flower, sweet smell of a flower. So she's quite, she's very close to my heart. And today's event was really remarkable. Literally, if I speak more, tears will come out.
That's good, well done. You flew all the way from US, so Pardesiyon se na Akhiyan Milana. We come to the cricketer, the expert bowler, Pardesiyon se na Akhiyan Milana, Deepak Thite. Please welcome Deepak Thite.
I did my engineering and I moved into biomedical. I worked for Pfizer in India for 13 years and I got a chance to go to Sydney. I worked there in medical devices for almost 6 years and now I work for a company called Honeywell for the medical business, looking after the Pacific business. My wife Amruta and we have a son called Omkar. He's in year 9 and he plays for the district for cricket as a fast bowler. And he's been selected as one of the upcoming cricketers for the New South Wales. So he's been trained by Shoaib Akhtar and Wasim Akram for, there are 10, 12 kids who have been selected as fast bowlers. So he's one of them. And at the same time, education also he's focusing on. So I'll leave it to him what he wants to do in his life, but I think cricket is in his blood as well. One of the best things which has happened to me being in Sydney is that I love cricket and going to all the places including SCG, MCG, or which could be in Adelaide. is one of the best experience of my life, and I value that, I cherish it, and I couldn't have gone anywhere else in my life except Australia, I think. And I love the place, and you all should also come and see. It's one of the best places in the world. So thank you.
Thanks Deepak. Thanks for coming all the way from Australia. Okay, we just, to make it quick, we are not going to allow, we don't sing anymore, but he sings for us a couple of lines which are specified, and then you speak about yourself. We call Amit Wagh, come on the stage. Amit Gokhale, come on the stage.
अकेला शहर में रात में और दोपहर अब ढूंढता है एक अकेला शहर में।
So now I am settled in India. I work for a company called Cryogen Instrument. I am married to Apurva. She is a classical singer and she performs various concerts. Yesterday she had a concert at Delhi. Tomorrow morning she will fly back. We are blessed with one son. His name is Nilay and he just appeared for 12th standard commerce. Okay, thank you.
ये लाइन में जाते रहे, अभी दापके को बोलो बोलते तेरे बारे में।
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया। अमित वाकिर को धुएं में उड़ा।
Just a quick word about myself. After I graduated in 1991, I worked for 2 years for a company called Toyo Engineering. I had very blessed company of Rahul Dapke. And those 2 years were, so it was like an extended instrumentation engineering. And I'm going to spend a little bit of time on those 2 years. So Dapke and I used to sit next to each other, and Dapke used to carry a very big briefcase to office, okay, very big briefcase. From Ghatkopar, he used to catch a train and come to CST with that big briefcase. And in the process, he had hit numerous people on their knees, okay. Getting into the train. And the way he used to carry his briefcase used to be this way. So the briefcase used to be completely empty.
Briefcase never brief.
हाँ, brief नहीं था and it used to be empty. उसमें there used to be a small box, okay, which used to be the lunch box, which he never ate because both of us went down and had lunch. And it was very interesting. Dapke had a boss. His name was Solar. And the poor guy used to be really hardworking. So he used to finally come and catch Dapke by hand. अरे बस रे बाबा, let's finish. उसका ध्यान इधर उधर गया, Dapke चला जाता था. So searching Dapke in Toyo was a big this thing. And I remember when Rapke resigned, he went to our head of department, gentleman called SP Ray. He used to head instrumentation. So Rapke said, well, I'm resigning, I need a month more. So SP Ray said, why one more? You can leave today. So those 2 years in Toyo were very interesting. It was an extension of Instru 91. And we never missed because Dapke and I used to have great fun. And then after that I did my management, so spent 2 years doing my MBA, and then I completely lost connect with instrumentation and worked with PwC Consulting for a while, almost 8 years, and currently with Accenture for about 7 years. I look at our financial services business. Married, my wife works for Johnson Controls. She's head of HR for India. She's an HR professional. We have one daughter who's 14. So that's it. Been in India throughout. Okay, so it's been so far a wonderful journey. Thank you. So who's next? Anil Khanna. Rahul, sorry.
Good evening, everybody.
को किसी की नजर ना लगे चश्मे बदू तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नजर ना लगे चश्मे बदू.
Good evening. It has been a wonderful morning to evening till now. We've met a lot of people. It's been great pleasure to meet people whom we don't meet too often, like people like Hessel, who traveled all the way from US, Hasmukh, and so on. I mean, if I go on with the name, it will be probably the whole list. Rathi, I keep meeting at least once a year for Ganpati, but at least or we bump into at the old hills when they are walking up or down. They are pretty regular. I'm pretty irregular about it. So once in a while, whenever I'm there, I meet them. The rest, some people I bump into in Thana. I think I'm now about 20, 25 years. It's been a nice evening, and for a short introduction for myself, I was for about 6 or 8 months after graduation in a company in Ahmedabad, after which I joined Ude India, and since then I've been with Ude India for probably a long journey, close to 24 years now. I had an extended instrumentation team, more than what Amit was said, because we had, I think, Kopikar, who's still there. We had Padmalata, we had Rajesh, we had how many more people at Ude? Yeah, we had even some people from the senior batch like Pallavi, and who's still there with us. And so it was a very long, extended Vivekanand session which we had. We even tried to keep up the legacy by trying to have more people from our junior batches into our office year after year, and so that's going on. So that's been a long thing. On the personal side, I'm married. I have my wife Mona, she's a housemaker, and I have 2 daughters. Shivangi, who's my elder one, who is now in first year BCom, is doing her exam, and my younger one, who is now just gone to grade 8, and she's just done with her exams and just started her new year. I have been in Thana, more or less not displaced myself, and even as far as the job goes or as far as location of staying goes. So more, I would say, a stationary person. Thank you.
हंसता हुआ नूरानी चेहरा, काली जुल्फे रंग सुनहरा, तेरी जवानी तौबा तौबा रे, दिलरुबा 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 दिलरुबा.
My name is Dana, and
I joined these guys 1 year late. I was not from the 12th. I joined from diploma. Pachi. And then I had a wonderful team whom I joined 1 year late, basically. And then I had an option to move to electronics, but then I told no, I'll stay with this team, instrument. And today I'm standing here because of that decision, what I took last time.
Doesn't matter at this point. Doesn't matter.
You judge it.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में जाता था तो 25th नहीं रहता
वो शंकर पंखा था मैं जमाई
कोई बच्चा ही नहीं था
बच्चा नहीं था
and we moved on to Tata Power and today I'm with Reliance. So and I'm the person front. My wife Nawaz, she is working with BPCL and 2 kids, one in 10th and one in 7th. Certificate given. And as Anil says, I have good with Raki. He is like my day-to-day. Any specific reason, I have to call him up and say, boss, the same things with him. Ganpati and anything which is brings me his vehicle till my house. Okay, come down. We go for the alumni, we go for there, and then in the evening also the same thing. He comes down to my house, drops me, and then I. So it's a wonderful team, and I'm enjoying the evening today. Okay, good evening.
अरे दीपक पाटिल
यम्मा यम्मा है खूबसूरत समा यम्मा 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 ये खूबसूरत समा बस आज की रात है जिंदगी कल हम कहाँ तुम कहाँ बस आज की रात है जिंदगी कल हम कहाँ तुम कहाँ
ये स्टेटमेंट इन लोगों ने मेरे मुंह पे डाल चुके हैं 25 साल पहले Yeah, very nice to see all of you after 25 years. I am very much happy. Thank you, Rati and team. Mark, you have given me this wonderful today. Personal level, I am working with Reliance. After graduation, I did my post-graduation in Power Electronics from Nagpur. Then I have joined the company. At the personal level, my wife is a housewife. She is a photographer. And we have got one daughter. She is doing medical. And my son is in grade 7. Yeah. So I'm very much happy. Thank you.
Girish.
I'm going to skip the dancing part. Can you hear me out?
We are all hearing you. We are all listening to you.
Okay, my story is after instrumentation, I joined the bandwagon of going to the US and did my GRE, did my master's in computer science. Lived there for 14 years. Then I moved back to India about 2007. And then I was working for Barclays Bank for a good 6 years. And then last year I quit my job. Right now I'm just a freelancing software engineer. And I live by myself in Pune, so if anybody is visiting, is welcome. Thank you.
Arvind and Hetal Patel both have to come together. Then it is something different. Afterwards they can come individual again. Where is Arvind?
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
Now one at a time.
Hi everyone, my name is Arvind Kemasra. When I do my introductions at my training sessions, I always tell people, my name is Arvind Kemasra. Don't worry about the last name, even my daughter still gets it. She doesn't get it either. So for the first 10 years after I did my engineering, I worked in a company which manufactured instruments. So when people tell me how related you are or you were with instrumentation, I just say I was the face of instrumentation. Because we manufactured voltmeters which just indicate what's going behind. For the next 10 years, I worked in IT companies, had a wonderful time at Satyam Computers for 5.5 years, till our MD started having a great time. And that's when we had to move. Next 5 years in Accenture, and December 2014 is when I just said switch to everything and decided to follow what my passion is, which is helping others help themselves. And that's where I am today, achieving myself and helping people achieving themselves. Thank you. Yeah, I have one wife, Anita, and one daughter. Her name, we tried to make a fusion of both my name and my wife's name. So Arvind and Anita, we called her Arvita. My wife is a radiologist by profession, and my daughter just appeared for her 12th grade. Thank you.
Rati, good choice of the song. Thank you so much. One of the reasons why I come to India is Arvind and one of my other friends. Otherwise, I did not have any purpose to come to India, to be honest with you. I'm going to take more than 5 minutes to introduce myself. I did not want to be an instrumentation engineer. That's why I did not do well, but I would not have passed without Arvind, Anil, Prasad Kulkarni, Hasmukh Patel, help, and I made it to 4 years of engineering. So thank you guys, thank you so much. But after that, I moved to US, and prior to that, one more thing about myself, I failed in my first year of engineering in basic and photo language. I decided I would never pursue computers in my life. And at the end of the 4th year, when I started looking for a job, they wanted me to get some experience in Unix and C. I joined an institute in Bandra. Again, Arvind supported me, and we went into that institute, joined Aptech Computers, and became an expert programmer in C. And no matter what, how hard you try, I became a full one circle and got into IT. Joined TCS, moved to US. Today I have my own firm, almost 110 employees, and by God's grace, and it turned out to be, I think I've done reasonably well over there, and more than 50% of the staffs are Indian, and that's the cause that I'm serving there. On this trip, I came here for two purposes. One was a reunion, but I want to take 5 minutes of your time. I started a non-profit for educating the needy girls. And I was part of Pratham organization, an NGO in India, and I was a board member in DC chapter. And 3 years I tried fundraising, was very successful, but I did not get that happiness and the joy because I wasn't aware of how the money was being spent, where it was going, and I said, hey, I have to do this something for myself. To what Arvind said in his session earlier. So we adopted a girl last year in August of 2015 in India, and her name is Prayosha, and I'll tell you a story behind that. Prayosha's mother introduced me to 2 other girls. We adopted those 2 girls as well. And in the past 4 days, I have adopted 5 more. And my goal is to adopt 13 more before June. That's my goal. So everybody, I met a lot of people in the last 4 days. I probably slept I landed here on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I probably slept only 21 hours in the last 7 days because I've been talking and meeting people on a regular basis because of this cause that I wanted to share with you. I met the mothers of the 3 women, and each one of their education was terminated because either because she was a lady, or they had siblings in the home and they cannot fund education for the others, and shadi karni thi ladki ko. So these women, the mothers, I actually met them and they resonated with my concept. And so the one thing that I want to share with you is, guys, I'm not asking for anything from you at all. All I need is time commitment. If any one of you is interested in doing some kind of work to help this take it further along, 20 hours in a year, that's all I'm asking for. I know what I'm going to do with those 20 hours. I have a plan, I have a vision, I have a framework already established. The criteria for the girl selection is 5th grade and older, BE and above. Parents have to be engaged with the child. And I've already met the parents of all these 8 girls and have actually established a plan of how to engage with the girl, go shopping with the girl, go to the market, spend 30 minutes with your daughter every month and find out what she's doing. Because I believe we educate a girl, we changed our world. And it's very important that the girls in this country are educated not for the literacy purpose, but show them to the end of the light, show them the light at the end of the tunnel, to get them to the professional life and bring them back into the ecosystem to further our cause. So the name of my NGO is, I thought of the name earlier and I thought Malala the New Beginning. Everybody probably knows about Malala, the Pakistani girl nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize last year. And then I said, why Malala and why not the first recruit that I have? Her name is Prayosha. So the name of my non-profit is Prayosha the New Beginning, and her parents are very excited. And if anybody is interested in helping me out in any way, again, time commitment, I don't need money, I can raise money in America very easily. But if you're looking for it to do something different, there are a lot of stay-at-home mothers in our group. I welcome and to join my team. Thank you. So I'm married to Meena. Most of you met my wife today. She's a homemaker. My son's 17-year-old. He goes into college next year. He plays ice hockey. And the beauty of that sport is I'm the only colored person every time when we go on the ice rink. So we travel to Detroit, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, you name it, every weekend. And we are the only colored people, and that gets a kick out. That gives me a kick every time I see the whites cheering for my son. So, and he plays very well. He plays very competitively. And Rati, thank you so much for putting this together. And I wish we can do this every year. And I'm more than happy to be here every year.
This is an example for Instru what Uncle Hetal, now I must say Hetal Patel, Sir Hetal Patel, for the way you are doing for the child, and that to a girl child. Bringing her to ecosystem is something which triggers our mind. Thank you, Hetal, for doing a service to the nation. Yeah. Manish Mehta.
खोया खोया चाँद खुला आसमान आँखों में सारी रात जाएगी ओ हो खोया खोया चाँद खुला आसमान आँखों में सारी रात जाएगी तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी हो खोया खोया चाँद.
So we know what Khoya Khoya Chand with Manish. Let's hear Manish now.
Thanks, Rathi. I'll follow. Hello, everyone. It's a nice day, a memorable day again for every one of us. So we had a nice time as such today. So let's start. I joined Vivekananda in '87, not knowing what is instrumentation, or as most people didn't knew at that point of time. But we took it in our strides and we went on. After completing graduation, I joined a firm called Humphreys in Glasgow, which was in Prabhadevi. Very soon, Samir Shah joined me maybe a couple of years later, and then we worked together. Umesh joined us, so it was a small team of people whom we knew already during our college days. Went on to various deputations of various countries. I worked in various countries such as Japan, US, and UK. Came back, and since 2004, I'm basically in Mumbai, working for Jacobs Engineering. Currently, I head the instrumentation group there. Over the period, I lost all my hair. So that's the sad part of it. I have my wife with me today. Her name is Parul, and that's it.
Manish is a cool guy.
In between, I worked with Sandeep Rathi. We were both associated on a project together, and that was a nice experience as well. Thanks, Rathi.
Manish is a cool guy, a very respected guy in his company as a HOD of instrumentation and handling a lot of projects. So I can vouch for him. He handles a lot of responsibilities. Yeah, let's call Milind Kelkar, the guy from UAE who just flew yesterday night. Let's hear the song for you, Milind.
जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले ओले 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 गाँव तराना यार झूम झूम के बोले ओले 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 ओले
I can sing as well, so if you can just play the tune.
We don't have to.
जब भी कोई लड़की देखी मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले ओले 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 ओले.
I don't know why he selected this song for me. You know the reason?
No, we know the reason.
You know the reason?
Yes.
Tell me afterwards.
I can tell it right now.
No, wait.
Your turn will come.
Okay, so it was very great association with Vivekananda. 4 years of college when we studied in Vivekananda. We had lots of fun. We were 3 or 4 of us who were coming regularly during the train journeys and the bus journeys, and we used to have a lot of fun in the college as well as on the way back home, because we were coming from Goregaon and it used to take almost 1.5 hours. So, I mean, for me, myself, I graduated in 91, and then after 2.5 years, I moved to Middle East. So for the last more than 22 years, I'm in Middle East. So I'm already become a camel now. But I mean, the reason, I came here just for this event, and it was a great decision, because I was not very sure till last minute, but on last Friday I decided I have to come, because we don't get these opportunities again and again. So, but it was a wonderful time, and not only in the college, but today as well, we had a lot of fun. And we are meeting most of the people after 25 years, but the way we are gelling together, as if we have, the 25 years have gone completely out. So we are as good as fresh in the college, and we are studying in the college. So that was the atmosphere today, which was a great fun. About myself, I have a wife, Gauri. She's an architect, and I have 2 kids. My son is called Swapnil. He's in 10th grade now. He's giving his board exams, and my daughter is Sonika. She's in the 3rd grade. And I invite all of you, those who have not seen Dubai, please come over. That will give us an opportunity. We have 4 or 5 of us in Dubai, and we can have a wonderful time there as well. So please do come to Dubai with your families. It's a nice place to stay for 3-4 days and enjoy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Milind. Our next is our all-rounder sir, Marathe sir.
अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन। अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन। मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ डॉन।
Hello everyone. You know me for last 25 years, so there is nothing more to add. Only thing is I will tell you that I am completely enjoying this moment at the moment. All of you are here from long distances by making your journey possible as much as you can be. I am very happy to be associated with this group since long time. Especially some members of your group have been now our family members by this time. All of you are most welcome to Ville Parle House anytime you are there, or at even T2 whenever you are going or flying or coming back. Alright? Just a brief introduction about myself now. Whatever you don't know. I have two sons. My elder son is married, works in Mahindra & Mahindra as research manager. He also takes lectures as I do. My younger son is doing third year engineering in IIT Bombay. I also do visiting faculty at the moment at various management colleges like Sindam, Wellinger, NITI, SIS, etc. etc. Whoever calls me first, I actually go there. I do corporate MDPs at different companies. I do corporate MDPs at Wellinger on their behalf. And I am also a mentor at IIT Alumni Mentorship Program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Prakash Kopikar.
हम बोलेगा तो बोलोगे के बोलता है, हम बोलेगा तो बोलोगे के बोलता है। एक में साब है, साथ में साब भी है। एक में साब है, साथ में साब भी है। मेम साब सुंदर सुंदर है, दोनों साथ साथ है, दोनों पास पास है, बातें खास खास है।
Hi everyone. Today's event was really great nostalgia for me because I just recollected all those 4-8 years of engineering, and really great to meet all of you. After my graduation, I joined Uday India, and for the last almost 25 years I'm in that company. So I'm really into hardcore instrumentation, and I'm trying to keep in touch with a lot of people. So looking forward to many such events now. Thanks.
Thank you, Prakash. We call Prasad Kulkarni. Cool one.
दिल को देखो चेहरा न देखो, दिल को देखो चेहरा न देखो, चेहरे ने लाखों को लूटा। दिल सच्चा और चेहरा झूठा, दिल सच्चा और चेहरा झूठा।
Thank you. Apt song. I mean, whosoever is choice, I appreciate. Thank you so much.
दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। जब जिस वक्त किसी का यार जुदा होता है, कुछ ना पूछो यारो दिल का हाल बुरा होता है। दिल तो यादों के जैसे तीर चलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। दौलत और जवानी एक दिन खो जाती है, सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है, उम्र भर दोस्त लेकिन साथ चलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। इस रंग रूप पे देखो हरगिज नाज न करना, जान भी मांगे यार तो दे देना, नाराज न करना। इस रंग रूप पे देखो हरगिज नाज न करना, जान भी मांगे यार तो दे देना, नाराज न करना। रंग उड़ जाते हैं, धूप खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। Thank you, friends. Prasad Kulkarni. There are great singers here, but then I just wanted to say vent out my emotions. I mean, I think you have made this event what it is, and a lot of people who have come here all the way has actually made it a wonderful success, I would say. Well, Prasad, I passed out in 91, worked in instrumentation field in various companies. Not a very structured career though, for about 5 odd years. After 5 years, I decided that I am not really doing what I should be doing. Probably I'm not really making enough progress, etc. I simply quit, all quits, and did my full-time MBA, MMS that is. And that was in 96, 98. I did in marketing, suddenly changed my line all over and joined a bank. Joined a small bank. That was probably the recession time, and that was the only break I had. And then worked there for about 1.5 years, and that gave me an entry to a banking software company. I was selling novel NetWare products, various products. And that was a wonderful experience and the beginning of a good career, I would say. Then switched over to telecom. So since 2002, I am in telecom industry, completely away from what I was doing. I worked with Reliance Infocom, switched over to Tata Teleservices, and I'm back to Reliance Communications. It is the same group as Reliance Infocom. So I basically head the national voice business for the enterprise, and enjoying my job, doing well, reasonably well. My wife married to Prachi. Prachi, I'm proud of her success. She has recently completed a hard and tough certification from International Sports Sciences Association, where she has excelled herself. I'm very proud of her. We have 2 kids. Parth, my elder son, who has just entered 10th, and my younger daughter, Swara, she is in 6th. Right? And I sincerely thank all of you for making this, taking time off, and I know all of you who have come here have come only for this event. Thank you so much.
One could see the emotional Prasad, and rightly so, since his college days. Let me call Praveen Aswani.
तेरे चेहरे से नजर नहीं हटती, नजारे हम क्या देखें, नजारे हम क्या देखें. Thank you. Good evening. We all expressed our journey. I have one as well. I think the most wonderful thing that has happened is the coffee book. We've been able to check, progress of how each one has traveled through this journey. I passed out in 91. And I joined Crompton Green. I was there for 5 years, and then I moved on to Schlumberger, which was one of the best work at that point in time. From Schlumberger, I moved on to Actaris and Itron, and I am now with Arad, which is an Israeli company, and I head their business here in India. I'm married to Kavita. She is a multifaceted, talented woman. She does crochet, she does designing, she teaches students, and my daughter Ishi is here. She's equally happy to be here with us.
she wanted to be here, and I'm so happy that she could join us despite her exam. And thanks to Ishi, we now have a cat in the house as well. So she is as much part of the family as anybody else is. So great being here with all of you. I think I had forgotten most of what we did in the 4 years in instrumentation because of the time period. But every time I attend the alumni and come here, I think we relive those moments, and I still feel I really did my instrumentation. Thank you.
Raveen, thank you so much. Now let's call the naughtiest among us. All the faces are moving towards the right. Let's call Rahul Dapke.
गोरे रंग पे न इतना गुमान कर, गोरा रंग 2 दिन में ढल जाएगा, गोरे रंग पे न इतना गुमान कर, गोरा रंग 2 दिन में ढल जाएगा.
Thank you. Hey guys, great to be here after 25 years. I know we are in contact every day, so it's not as though 25 minutes have passed since we graduated. There are at least 25 messages going back and forth every day. Very glad to be here. I graduated in 91 with you, and I was very happy to be with Amit for 1 more year. तुमने उसको जितना झेला उससे ज़्यादा मैं उसको झेला है. अबे कैमरा पे रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. So, I mean, you know how closely we are all bonded to each other. So, you can take the men out of Instru, but you cannot take the Instru out of the men, right? So, when I went to the US, I know Pinku was there. Within 6 months he came. Uncle was there, and we were on email exchange, kabhi to yahan wahan. So within few years, I started the Instru 91 group. This way we could at least all connect within each other. And then I was technically challenged enough to not start the WhatsApp group. So I really thank Amit for putting that group together, so we could all be back in touch with everybody. So I think I was just telling my wife Shilpa, she's a Gujarati. I was telling her, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to relive these years. It's because of her that she's been, taking care of our twin boys. I'll come to that in a second. But because of that we could actually come together and spend this time together. Now, I graduated, worked for 1 year, then I went to the US, got my master's in biomedical engineering. I worked there for, like 10, 15 years. Got my MBA, so I moved on to the product marketing side. Now I'm with Intel doing product marketing of high-tech equipment, including some medical devices. But coming back to the thing about our twin boys, I have twin boys. If you think I was difficult, I cannot imagine how much she's dealing with right now with 2 of the Dapkes, okay, for next generation. 3 of the Dapkes. Oh, 3, I'm sorry. Anyways, hey, thank you so much for the nice evening. And for those of you who've seen the movie Vastav, where Sanjay Dutt comes back, right? Sanjay Dutt comes back and says, माँ देखा क्या दोस्त लोग के मिलके आया इंस्ट्रू का लव 50 तोला.
Rahul said you can take men out of Instru and still it remains Instru. But today you take woman out of Instru, you have the Javai in the Instru. Let's call Dr. Samir Shah.
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी.
Thanks guys. Good evening to everybody. That's a fantastic evening we have, and more of that. We are so connected even after 25 years. That's a great thing. While arranging this, I approached so many people. Everybody has responded so positively, and everybody has participated. That's fantastic. Moving on to my thing, after graduation, working in a couple of small companies, and then joined Jacob. At that time, it was Humphreys and Glasgow. Working with Manish. Manish was already there, so far more easy for me to get into this. I was working there for about 13 years, and then I decided to move on with some
different challenges. Okay, should I continue more?
Continue one more wicket. That's a very good catch.
One more wicket. Yes, one more.
Okay, so
Let's see the replay. डॉक्टर का और एक करना. एक विकेट और जाएगा. उधर.
let's see the replay first. To Baroda and working with Linde. All of them are kind of market leaders in their own domain. Linde, I worked there for 4 years, moved back to Bombay and worked as an engineering manager in a company called Tyco for 5.5 years. And then I've decided I don't want to carry on with the job for quite long, and I've left, and now I'm kind of a free bird, trying to take a break and think over what I need to do next. I'm married to Swati. She is a housemaker, and I have 2 daughters. Both of them are far more, quite lovely. Yeah. One is pursuing the CA and other is in school. That's it.